Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is Marcel, my husband, and this morning we are at Nevi. So we just arrived. I'll tell you all about that in a little while.
What are you dealing with? Look like you do some laundry, man.
Thank God he's here because we thought he wasn't.
Yeah?
We'll come and see the door lock. Nevi.
See me?
Nevi. Good morning. How you do?
Not bad.
How you do down there, son? Now?
I work with pants, we didn't have to do washing.
Oh. Not much. We can look for you.
Yes, no blood. Wonderful. You see the rope of fasting.
Huh?
Prayer.
The fast and pray today.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Take your time and come up there.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, my general.
Yeah.
Nevi, we come and see your door lock. We say you're not there.
No, man, you don't expect it.
But then when me look, me notice the lock not there. So.
And if you come here and you see the lock on it, you just check down there, so. For you know, say I don't so.
Oh, yeah, probably down there.
Yes, man. You say, all me I say, I come sweep out the house and all the things there.
Oh, you plan to come sweep out?
Yes, man. I told me just weekend.
Okay. What you say, you go wash this morning, or you wash clothes or sheet or what?
No, two working pants. Me.
Two working pants.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Glad for me to see you.
You're glad to see me?
Yes, man.
So guys, we were able to, we actually had to drive this morning and drive the other end of the road, which we thought was better, but it was horrible coming in. However, we are happy to be here and we are able to bring Nevi grocery this morning. We have some anonymous donors. So,
yes,
Nevi?
Yes, man. Put up here, sir. Right there upon it. Yes, ma'am.
We're able to bring your groceries this morning from two anonymous donors who sent funds for us to buy groceries for you.
Yes, ma'am. God bless them.
Yes, man. So
and
you have
happy Christmas to them too.
Yes.
Wish them live to see many more.
Yes, yes,
happy
indeed.
From the bottom of my heart.
Yes.
Yes, man. Boy.
Right, so you have everything in there pretty much, and we brought you a chicken.
Yes,
we know how the fridge situation stays, so we cut it in two. So I don't know if it is you want. Huh?
We get it put up, man.
You'll get it put up. Yes. All right, no problem. Yes. All right, we also have another anonymous donor. This is the third donor now who sent you monetary donation, which will hand to you in a little while.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then we have another donor who would have donated funds for us to buy a door.
Yes.
And we brought the door this morning, and so guys, that's one of the reasons why we needed to drive, because we had to take the door. Yes. And she also sent funds to buy cement and the sand so that we could top up, you know, some holes that Nevi have in the house there to just seal them off.
God.
So want to say thanks to all our donors.
God bless them.
Yes, God bless all of you. May your store basket never be empty, and we are more than grateful, because especially in terms of the door, the sealing up of the area, and so on. Grocery too, because you know Nevi sometimes run out of groceries.
Yes,
so we are, you know, more than grateful for your donation. So thank you so much. You know yourselves, big up yourself, enough respect
have
every
a happy
time.
Christmas too.
Yes, Nevi say have a happy Christmas as well. All right, so Nevi, yes, I don't know if we'll be able to do both things today, because it's just Marcel and myself. So he's gonna do the door first,
yes, man, from the door
and then hopefully we can get to come.
Not even do till January.
The sealing up. The ceiling up.
Yes, ma'am.
About Chang morning.
Yes, man. I tell them have Christmas.
Hi,
Christmas
good morning.
Christmas daughter.
I remember your name this morning.
Yes, man.
I don't know if it's Christmas comes.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why.
Okay.
All right, all the best. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So I was explaining earlier that we had to find a way to drive in this morning. The road was really rocky. It was a rough journey. We hit up some stuff under the car. I'll know Marcel not get to look to see what it was, but I don't think it's anything detrimental because, you know, after all, we are here and the car seem okay.
How we put it,
Marcel?
Car say okay.
The car.
I don't see them.
No, we drive the top part.
Top new hope.
Yes, so
It's a road one.
it's really bad because we like you're driving and think everything is all right the way you turn the steering, then you hear something hit up under the car really bad. You have to back up and so on.
Bother.
Yeah, this one, yeah, the one that we normally walk in. That
You know,
route,
say, a big stone you have to there now, you know. Then throw some hoop a big stone and pack it off.
I try to pack it off. Oh,
Some hold the diesel and throw some big stone. So it a worse of him like how we can low.
yes, yes. So that's why we have to drive this morning, Mass Nevi, because we have to bring the things, the door and so forth.
I tell you.
Right, so see you have your nice white door.
Sleep back on one white door thing.
Yeah, we lock
And we
everything
have
for
the
you.
lumber. We have the lock and everything.
That
We have
new
the
one.
lock and the key.
Yes. yesterday, you know, say me Philip said don't open.
Why?
Through the tired to buy the padlock them.
Oh,
I will meet the padlock them spoil. And I will meet me up here aisle them.
maybe at the water we are getting to it.
Step on a piece of board, one nail turn up in it.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
But don't move. All right, you can.
God, I tell you one. And my father, and my brother, and my sister. I tell you no.
Yeah, we father.
Aye. Yes, sir. You want for. You see the pastor asked me, say, how old am I tell him.
Pastor asked you how old you were yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. I born 1951.
You were 1951.
15 of me.
Oh, you're a May born. Oh.
Yo! See bro, them a make nice around me. Look there, man. Yeah,
Ah,
take care.
who that, Bunny?
Morning.
Oh. All right, so guys, today Marcel is going to put on the door, so we have a lot ahead of us. We'll try to vlog as much as we can. Marcel, the chicken come down, Marcel? Oh, Marcel is saying we get the chicken put up, so yeah. We get it chopped into Marcel because we just say we don't know how you work it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Or
Everybody
if you needed us to.
you
Eh?
have season everything in there.
Yeah, man, seasoning in there, browning in there, your coffee,
Aye.
milk, let's go to mix your coffee, rice flour, sugar,
Yes, I mean, I want
tin
tin.
food.
I want tin tell me can't eat no tough food pan.
What happened to it? It hurt?
No, sir, look there.
Oh, it a come
I
out.
come out of there, I come out and it not hurt me, no? And me I say, boy, I can't eat nothing tough.
Maybe when it get weaker, it will just fall out.
Yes, so
How about it dash you, man?
it a rock. It a rock.
It's a hear too much music.
Aye.
It's a rock.
Oh God, you was Marvel. Marvel, oh.
Yeah?
Oh God, you promised me something, man, and if I never get half of this thing, I get that, all right.
What?
Guess how?
The mirror?
Radio.
Oh, radio. Oh, Lord. Mass Nevi, somebody did ask us about the radio, you know, but it's us to get back to them with the cost because we have to find out the cost of it. So we can send it to them.
They have radio for 5,000 now.
Eh? Oh, you know, you check it out.
Yes, man, the radio them.
Okay, so you see radio for 5,000, all right. But we still have to check and ensure see that.
Yes. Well, I guess,
$1,000 radio.
you see the one we have here? At 3,000 buy for you know.
Long time you buy that.
Yes, and it good.
Mas Nevi, me have one problem now. You see that drum here with the water? In my way,
So we have to go rock out it. But we no can't, we
But
no
it's
want
full of water.
You don't want to throw it away.
No, you, oh God, how we da manage?
That we don't know.
We could have rock it away, no? What are you with?
If you did have like buckets and you could have take out some.
I mean, have a next drum down the road. Two. It a better me dash that the one down there so and pull it right up here so.
I want to pull this, I want to pull the ply.
You know, sir? Dash that one down there so and pull it. And move this down to the time being.
So that the drum,
This half.
You can't move off it, that's right. You can't move.
if it half, it can't move.
Well, that's a problem, but me can't carry it on.
No, left you without water, man.
No. Boy, tell you boy, God.
Will you take up one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it can't move.
Mass Nevi, how you say drum half?
It's 3/4?
Yeah.
Oh, enough water in there.
More than half.
Alright, let me help you. Pause this.
Pass that.
Yes, man. Breaking transmission right now. Alright, guys, so we're able to pull away the drum. So Marcel can have, have it clear right there so he can work on the door. Why did I go on this one now? You block it up, Mass Nevi?
Maybe I stop with rat.
Yes,
Oh.
rat.
No frog.
Yes, I know, so I hear none of them again.
I've duck hands, Mass Nevi.
I mean, I want to see if I could have sprayed them,
Give me a spray.
Them love build up nest in them place they do.
Duck hands, get up again. Thick swashes?
Yes, sir. Kill them, but you can't kill them.
It's strong, Marcel.
If me never have that, I do just a whole place. I don't know back the sun, I'm down clean,
So hit your fair use and spray them.
One room where on the back there. It's down clean.
I wear bigness there.
No, I don't know.
A bigness in there?
No, I don't know. No, I go past that and make clothes still for sweat, but I make clothes so.
Buy it hot, Mass Nevi.
You must never get them board there with the holy pot nails in it.
I hit the nail up there, so miss.
Oh,
No, I still must have the nail.
You know what me left?
Yeah.
Jesus, Marcel, not tell me.
Mercy.
What is it?
My hammer.
Me a hammer, man.
If your hammer not no good stick, man.
Yes, man, you put on it.
But you better none.
So me use it last night, Already tired.
Oh boy.
I do that gone in my boss.
Yeah, same thing.
It's
So
work
quick.
gone.
So quick.
Out with the old and in with the new. Mass Nevi.
Mass Nevi.
We are sure you see them big. And I call all egg.
Where do I call egg from?
Mouth. First time, sir. First time, If I fall, I go have egg. I go later, you know.
First time.
I know too.
Let me pull and not talk, man.
I'm not talking talk.
What they do?
You feel, if I egg there and you feel the egg tough.
You feel them?
Yeah, right fat and tummy where the egg there. And you know, so they go lay.
My grandmother used to search them,
Yeah, they know, who are the first time people have raised foal, man?
Search them.
Who all of them? And that foal them used to raise. Come and foal. We never know nothing about white foal.
It's shaky, Marcel, apply really gone bad for you,
Apply one change.
Yeah.
Half a hit one cut off,
Yeah, the bottom.
But me can't cut off it. No, if you put there.
Then you could have put zinc there.
What think there?
Me have zinc down there, so man. One sheet of zinc.
Good sheet.
Yes, man. Wood
So
chip.
put a nail up with it till we get one.
Ply, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to take off this plywood and cut it.
Yes. Now go up here and you see it first.
Hold on, make it still first.
But it nothing suit like them just like zinc, you know. I just throw man a contribute, you know. I just throw man a contribute, you know.
Yeah.
The contribute just gone, you know. I don't know you. The most important part there is now.
Now, Sevi,
Yes, ma'am.
when you go mix that the oats, every time you ask if you eat it, you go mix oats, but you not do anything. You do it now? You must, Nevi?
I will go take now
Oh, you soak it first. You soak it first. Oh, no, because of we you not eat, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not hungry?
Man, alright.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. So you have to go make the adjustments, you know, Marcel.
Yeah, man, I'll cut this.
Okay.
Last Nevi never have no right top on door, John.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll put you over the door.
Up at top here, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna put piece of cross piece.
Mm-hmm.
Shut back the door.
Alright guys, so we have installed the door. And Marcel is going to now install the lock. We did not get to vlog much of it because I have to be the second on the job this morning. Passing and holding things. So we did not get to vlog that process. However, the door is on now and Marcel is just preparing the lock to install it. And I think I may be needed again. So, or me not think of nothing technical, Marcel, right? You don't need to hold nothing again.
I come like an underrated from there.
I know that me mean. I just meant that.
Technical and this.
All right.
You must Nevi.
But just
How
me.
can I make it thing look so?
All right, you technical man. We just me like for me to be holding anything, but may I come?
more time. Cut them.
Yes, this is sometimes too low.
It depends on how the floor stay after you're done tile.
Yeah, that would be.
Take off and cut it and put on the back.
My jack of all trade, man's Nevi. Tiling, not true.
Man.
Man's Nevi say cock up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I want to go out and there's my friend is giving me one brand new one.
Yeah.
So, you know, from when you need to compete, so you see what going on, I okay, but if I want to go left down, I want to carry that one, you know.
Yeah. Inside.
Yeah.
Key outside and the knob inside.
Yeah.
You can lock it inside.
You lock it outside with the key.
Yes, I lock it inside.
And then you have one little knob where you just open it inside and lock it.
And if you can have Likkle.
You don't want it to be big?
Yes, I'm going to put I think I'll put the white in.
No man, it's that you can't do it so man.
Oh.
What you mean?
Like a lock.
Something where you can feel.
Oh.
You can find it easy.
Yeah.
Where we find this, you know? Where we find it?
See where you can find it.
We need a fold, a sense of folding.
I don't sense them sense of fall here kind of scattered.
A little one.
Oh, cause unless you know did it, but
They're not sense them, they're fooling. Fool them.
ah, these one them feathers lay. No sense.
Yes.
Man. When night come out, was a bomb. Lock.
Door lock.
I'll cut out that thing now.
They lock now. Or it need more adjustment.
I just a little bit.
It's unlocked now. Ah.
Yeah, Papa Nev.
You know?
Sound fine, I like.
Finish that now, man. I have something more to do. Check it out. Yeah, this
They close all the way now. Good. Alright, Mas Nevi, are you that now?
don't know him yet. So you.
I win at him.
Let me put on. Here.
Oh, I forgot about that part.
Assume you're here.
What that name again?
No.
That thing where you put over the hole.
How you name?
No.
I don't know your name.
Okay. Just come with the lock.
I just say lucky come with. I bet if you check but if you check the paper will come with the in the box where it come,
Manuel?
you know see no name the keep. Go look now.
I go check, of course.
Look and tell me.
So may have one here, it name mountain plate, gusset plate.
So that made if you tell you?
But I thought you knew it, like, you know.
You couldn't tell you that.
I know.
That I would have too much if you tell you.
Not true. Like gusset plate. See it here. Now hit this, look on it.
Gusset plate.
Or mountain plate.
A mountain plate. I take a book. Me know, man. All right. Unlock your mask, Nevi. Contessi. Well, no. Well,
Careful.
somebody is sitting out there ways.
Hold on them on Nevi. Watch that piece of stick, man, on the ground. Alright.
Right, block your door now, boss. That time now.
So Marcel having Mas Nevi lock the door just to ensure that, you know, when we are not here, he's able to do it without any
No, put your hand down there.
challenge.
And push in and turn now. Put it on.
Mas Nevi, you lock me out, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm going to put the key.
Yeah, man, I'll give you a key then. A tree, you're supposed to tree key.
Ah, that one.
Yeah, look man.
Oh, in shoes. You see it? Okay.
Boy, fat the funny.
I'm come outside, come try lock it from outside.
Yes. Well, me wouldn't like nothing to do on this side. You have to go put something this side. Yes, sir.
I got, no man, I can't put on this. I got to go and put one little gutter there and see what I can.
When we come back to do the to seal up the holes, Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
We just do that too. You have the key?
You know, sir, I get one.
What the key there, Marcel? Oh, it in there. Careful, Mas Nevi.
Be careful, get one handle for you, boy.
Before we get one handle.
Wow, you know what? Put lock in it.
Yes, I can pull it in.
Turn it right round.
So like you know. So now you know.
You have to drop if you take out the key. Any man. No, you lock already, you know, you're opening now.
So we got it.
Yeah. Pull it to you and spin the key. So, yeah, go mash up and lock that quick. I know hard, you know, see there. Oh, yeah, turn it. See there.
Here we get it, man. Let's try again.
Open it now. Yes. Spin it, man.
Spin it right round.
Now.
Can I put? Yeah, there you go.
Lock it now.
Call him and see.
What are you doing?
When it,
You chop up half a
Oh, yeah, that's doing up.
yeah, do some stew chicken, Mas Nevi.
And you remember to be happy.
Yeah, may I pick it when we finish?
How I remember to do so much?
Just two things. Marcel, when you say, I gonna move some of my stone from the doorway?
Yeah, I do want to clear with this, so this is,
Cause
that's never saying can't walk there. If he even, but remember what I'm going to do it, you know, but you want to have a thing there now.
Then if you don't have it, no, you don't need it.
So time, Major?
yeah, when we come back.
Right.
Oh, okay.
We did start move them already, you know, some.
I notice. Yeah.
We are come back to Christmas for your Christmas gift. You know, say you're not fussy still, you know. Love your style.
All them there want is them going to patch up in the whole.
Yeah.
We are going to patch them up. May I left the cement in here?
That's it.
Yeah?
No, son.
We never get it. And that make me not patch it now.
Alright.
Never get it stand.
And if you went just put on my man there. Just near you.
I thought they have so much not carry on. I want a bird in the car with it.
Can't carry it much more.
Alright. So we have to put back Mas Nevi drum. Oh, you gotta do the zinc for him.
Alright.
Yeah, grip.
Oh, the handle.
You don't remember it.
Yeah, Mas Nevi, so if you write it down, Marcel.
I'll if you remember it, we are going to write it down. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Remember it, we write it down and you remember.
Yeah, man.
Ah, jeez, Mas Nevi, I know the door lock sweet. Come check it out.
Alright.
Come on.
You know, so we can't bother if you come back. That's what we say. Alright.
Good man, sit there.
Yes, man. You're right.
You not even have to dry like how you dry like how.
Yeah. Yeah, easy now.
Yeah. I'm a brace the jam. And this a piece of your stuff to put in.
That you have to go measure.
Alright, so we'll just put the zinc right there, sir.
Right, sir. After what you do.
So the plan was to cut it. However, one of our tools got broken, damaged, so the job stopped halfway. We can't cut the plyboard anymore.
Like yeah, cut.
And
The door Top of the door jam can put in.
Yeah. So we're just gonna improvise right now.
No, say you see. I true you have a drum right here, so make it fly mash up.
You know, man.
The water spill over it when it rains.
Yeah.
You know the good water can't do nothing.
But it badly damaged already.
Damage that have to change.
So you have to
Yeah, we don't have no play.
This
So
one up.
you saw burn up Mass Nevi.
that's the thing, is that.
So we have to just. So that's the.
That I fix till we fix.
Good, no? You're in line.
No water for wash my hand. Beg you some my soap there, please.
Yes, you know.
Sure, stick up in there first.
So make we do that now. So yeah, alright. Alright guys, so we're cutting up the chicken, a piece of the chicken, half of it for Mass Nevi before we go. It was quite icy this morning, so Mass Nevi wants to do some stew chicken. Right, Mass Nevi?
Yes, man.
Mass Nevi, you know the chicken them gone in the house.
Yes, they come in the country.
How will you say to me?
Man, and they friend. And they still belong the country, brother. They come to the, you know.
That's everything. I love his skin.
He love his skins. Say, I want your body. He must say, you know, if you cut up it too small.
I cut the wing in a tree though.
When you cut it up small,
You did too small, not you?
it's small.
It last in a
You
pot.
couldn't find it.
Alright, I cut it small this time.
You want to know which part of the chicken you take out of the pot, Mass Nevi? Yeah, turn into me. I mean, look for the leg in a stew chicken I chop up. Leg and thigh. Chicken gone in again. I take up president in the Mass Nevi house. Watch him. Come. Shh. Shh. Out.
It's my Nevi friend name.
Come to the name, Martha. Wow, take it with that in local address. Take it with that in Napoleon.
And I breed have they?
No, I mean, them never get breed yet. When they were too late, they know.
Oh.
So if they even do lay, how you go find the nest?
I thought this is why I never find the nest.
You never find it?
No,
So chicken hatch since them are coming?
no, me mean say this is mama ya. Never find the nest.
No chicken na no mama man. Can any egg fall hatch set pan? Then I no mother. No?
As if you say how.
The chicken no mother.
Which part?
The two.
No mother they not have.
They sell the one yes no they mother.
No?
Can't almost fear egg either, right?
Remember say I don't have fall have chicken you know?
Yeah.
A hatch they hatchy.
Yeah.
So then I no mother. Egg can't come from anyway.
If you have a guy and you know say go to roost, you can't get go and set the go set it, you know.
Yeah, setting for which one of them are setting for? We have some egg.
No, me if you know nobody,
Have no know you.
Me no know full set you know.
You never go set.
When you start late. When you start late, you still set.
We get some.
And I get come and fold.
So who would that be mad at that time there?
The one with
Hey, well, they lay egg guy, but So you don't know that I want it. Oh, that's all like Ziggy son.
Oh.
Same.
So when you cut it so big, you know, harder to cook.
No man, I thought. Yeah, chef, I say that.
You know, but for Mass Nevi, me I talk about.
You know, put in the whole item, put in a 2 piece.
Oh, you gotta fry it first.
Yeah. That's how you cook it down. I cook here now, I cook today and tomorrow.
Yeah, cook. Oh, so
No,
yeah.
sir. Cook for yourself. Yeah, cook for yourself. Not today and tomorrow, cook for yourself.
Cook for Nevi.
Yes.
You must Nevi. Don't cook it today and tomorrow. Cook for yourself.
Where's season there?
This is it, how you say?
Oh, you look like me the season it fresh the other day and now I'm season it again. I mean, no, see, I'm not salty, this salty, no?
No, man.
Is it too fresh?
No, sir. You don't want to give too much trouble.
You don't want to give so
So
much
just if you
trouble.
know water, I try for water. Where vinegar we have there? You have lime?
No, sir. Let me have vinegar.
You look like vinegar, then my boss, please.
Alright, guys, so while.
Hello. You know what to the hammer, you know.
Oh, me I go look for it. Me look for it first
You
thing.
don't forget about that, the hammer there.
We can't forget it.
Oh, where you nail up, Mass Nevi?
Sometimes somebody come
See
and
my shit lean down over the sort of.
Oh, alright, me I come look for it for you.
Sometimes, suppose me never have it. This man know we all are you forgot your own so we have it.
You just a stretch back to Likkle, nothing left in them, man.
Mass Nevi, I make you know say enough it done. Eh? Alright guys, so we have installed the door for Mass Nevi, and so you know we test it and everything. He's locking it, he's able to close it, but we will, next time we visit, we'll have to get a door handle so that it will be much easier. But it's okay, it's manageable. He's actually closing it, but you know, just to ensure that him don't have any hassle or any challenges when closing the door, we're going to ensure we get a door handle. All right, so once again, Mass Nevi is on the inside saying thanks so much, you know, and we too want to say on his behalf, I want to say thank you to all our donors. We thank you so much for your continued support. We thank you for donating and helping Mass Nevi and the others.
Oh God.
Without you, none of this would have been possible, and we are more than grateful. And we also want to say thanks to God, because it is Him who, you know, have made all of this possible.
God did it.
Yes, man, absolutely.
God put them in the people.
Yes, indeed, Mass Nevi. All right, so guys, until next time. Oh, I have to say this too. So we'll have to come back to do the sealing up of the holes another day. All right, so would have been here maybe over 3 hours or close to 4 hours now, so we are going to leave shortly. All right, just want to say thanks again to everyone, and until next time, Marcel is on the Aki tree. Where you want, Mass Nevi? Oh, the mat. All right, may I come do it shortly? Okay. All right, so Mass Nevi is warning us, remember the Aki before we leave. So Marcel picking some low limbs. It's actually the first to come and Aki open. We always miss us.
We miss you.
Yeah. Well, you're not gonna miss me. We miss you because you don't eat it. Alright everyone, thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and the best wishes for the holiday.
Bye bye guys.
Alright, stay safe, much love and blessings.
See you in the next video.
Alright.